चिराग उस घर की दीवारें भी रोई होंगी। बुझा है जिस आंगन का चिराग उस घर की दीवारें भी रोई होंगी। खोया है जिन माँओं ने लाल अपना, न जाने वो माएँ कैसे सोई होंगी। कतरा कतरा बहे खून का अब आखिर हिसाब देगा कौन। कतरा कतरा बहे खून का अब आखिर हिसाब देगा कौन। क्यों ना भर के मेरे सीने में भी आग, आखिर कब तक कोई रहेगा मौन। छलने किया जिन दहशतगर्दों ने सीना, अब उन्हें उनकी औकात दिखानी होगी। छलने किया जिन दहशतगर्दों ने सीना, अब उन्हें उनकी औकात दिखानी होगी। भूलना नहीं कर देश जवानों का बात, ये उनके घर में घुस कर इन्हें सिखानी होगी। A very energetic welcome good afternoon to this grand ceremony. Our most honorable chief guests, our venerable director sir, honorable our director ma'am, most respected old teachers, respected guests, guardians, listeners, present all the school staffs, and my dear and near older and younger schoolmates. It's Iris, daughter of Shri Rajiv Ranjan Singh, belongs to Sukhi. I am the student of 8th standard of that school, which is known for its education, discipline, well manner, well management, and many more. And the school which has conducted first time CBSE 10th board in 2015 in our area, and that is any other than our beloved school, MAS International School, west of Bajrang Chowk, Fatehpur, Vaishali. I know that it is known by all the present listeners that today it is a great historical red letter day of our great and kind nation India. I mean to say that today is our 77th Independence Day. So first of all, I would like to wish you all happy 77th Independence Day of our great nation India. हमारे महान राष्ट्र भारत के 77वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। On this great day, our great country got independence from the cruel rule of British. As we all know that our great country got independence on 15th of August 1947 by the sacrifices of many great, venerable and courageous freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Maharani Lakshmibai and many more. All the citizens of our country will always be grateful of those ones who struggled for our country and sacrificed their lives. As it is the only day when we can remember our martyrs who died for the country. Also, it is the only day when we can forget all our cultural differences and united as one true Indian. On this great day, I am very grateful and thankful of our venerable director sir who has organized this great ceremony on this great and holy day of our life. So really, thank you so much our venerable directors for this grand arrangement. Again, I am very grateful and thankful of our venerable director sir who thought of me. I am worthy to narrate ahead of so many talented, worthy students of our institution. So again, really, very thank you so much our venerable directors for giving me this great and golden opportunity to deliver something in front of you all. I want to say many more, but it will take a lot of your precious time. So without taking much of your time, I would like to say something about freedom of speech. Freedom of speech is the most common and prominent right that every citizen enjoys. Also, it is important because it is essential for the